Welcome friends in my channel. In these classes of problems and solutions, we will only do the problem and solution. We will don't discuss about theory. Okay. In others classes, we will discuss about all the theories. Okay. These classes will be about only problems and solutions. This is about general properties of matter, problem and solution, part 1. Next class we will see suppose classical mechanics or thermodynamics problem solution. So this in this playlists problem and solution we will do only problem and solution about random method in a random way. Okay, so there will be no theory. You can go this playlist and check the all the problems and solutions, and other playlist there will be theory classes. So let's start. So first our problem, express G in terms of miles per day. Okay, let's start. Okay, so G, gravitational acceleration 32 foot per second square. Okay, you all know this, equals to 32, this will be this 1 divided by 3 into 1760, this will be in mile per day, mile per day. This will be our square. Okay, this is here is there will be a square. So 60 into 60 into 24 square, here day square. Okay, so if we calculate this, we will simply get, put on this on calculator, 4.5 into 10 to the power 7 miles per day square. Okay, this is our first class. We will start with some simple problems like this, then after that we will go to advanced problems. Okay, next problem. A gas bubble from a deep explosion underwater oscillates with a time period t. This seems that P is depends on rho, D and E, where this is P, sorry. P is the static pressure, D is the water density and E is the total energy of the explosion. So we have to find what is our ABC. Okay, so we can use the dimensional analysis method now. So let's start. So our T in dimensional method, we know we have done this in class 11. Okay, so here is our M L inverse T to the power minus 2 whole to the power A, the dimension of pressure. Okay, M L to the power minus 3 whole to the power B, dimension of density, water density, M L square T to the power minus 2 whole to the power here C, sorry, here is our C. So as we know in dimensional analysis what we have learned. Okay, so we are not here discussing here all the theories. We know, we are assuming that we know all the theories. In these classes we only do about problems. Okay, so our A plus B plus C will be 0. This is the equation, suppose number 1, and minus A, if we all the powers addition and multiplication, we know this in dimensional analysis. So we are not getting into the detail about dimensional analysis now. Okay, we will do only the problems. Minus 3b plus 2c equals to 0, equation number 2, and minus 2a minus 2c equals to 1. Okay, so we know well. So as we are doing only problem solutions, so we will not waste our time in calculating these this type of simple problems. So we can easily solve these problems. Okay, now we all know. So if we solve this, we will get a as 5 by 6, b 3 by 6, and c 2 by 6. Okay, next problem. Water trickles slowly over a spherical surface, which it wets and forms drops, which break away below the sphere. Here, below the sphere. By the method of dimensions, determine the way in which the mass of drop depends on the radius of the sphere. So, what is our what we want to do from this? We want the mass of the drop depends on the radius of the sphere. This relation we must we have to do this in this problem. Okay, so let's draw a picture. So suppose this is our spherical surface. Okay, and here is already that the water trickles slowly over the spherical surface, which it wets and forms drops, which breaks away below the sphere. So suppose here this is our water droplet. Okay, so start. Let m mass of the drop, then force on it. What will be the force? Just before breaking, that means mg. Okay, so now mg will be what? Mg will be function of s and r. You can say this if function of, then we have must bring a proportionality constant, s to the power alpha, r to the power beta. Okay, so now or here again we can use the dimensional analysis. Okay, so here what is the dimension? m l t to the power minus 2 equals to m t to the power minus 2 l to the power beta. Okay, again same dimensional analysis. We have solved many problems about that, not in this class till now, in my class, but we know that, we will assume. So solving that, alpha equals to 1 and beta equals to 1, so we will get mg equals to, or m equals to by g. Okay, this will be our answer. Okay, next problem. If the velocity of light is c, gravitational constant g, and Planck's constant is h, are chosen as fundamental units. Okay, find the chosen, we know these are our fundamental units. Find the dimension of L, M and T in terms of these units. Okay, same dimensional analysis problem. Okay, let's start. Okay, so here C will be what? L T inverse. G will be what? M inverse L cube T to the power minus 2. If you have a problem about the dimensions, please go through the previous classes, or if I have not done the previous classes in my channel, please go through some books. This is very simple, or you can remind all this, so you can easily solve the problems in your exams. Okay. But I can say that in the next classes or any other classes in my channel in various playlist, I definitely will teach you about all the topics, all the theoreticals. Okay, so also there you can find how this comes, or in this channel where I am going through only the problem solutions. If any theoretical question arises, you can find in other playlist where I will discuss about the all theories. Okay, you can find there. So this is our G. Okay, and what will be H? H will be our M L square T inverse. So we use this here, then our G will be look like this here now, and if we use this C here, then H will be look like this. Okay, we will just put the value of C here. So what will be our Hg? L square C cube. Okay, or our L will be Hg by C cube all to the power half equals to H to the power half G to the power half C to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, or so H by G we will get M square by C, or M equals to AC by G whole to the power half. Okay, H to the power half, just putting the values and some tricky, what can I say, G to the power minus half C to the power half, and our T square equals to L square by C square. So if we put the value here, GH by C to the power 5, or T will be GH by C to the power 5 whole to the power half. No? That implies that T will be H to the power half G to the power half C to the power minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this is our M, this is our T, and this is our L. Okay, done. Next problem. Okay, the density rho of a spherical body, of radius A depends on the distance r from the center according to this. This is the relation where A, B, C are constant. Find the moment of inertia about a diameter, any diameter. Okay, so let's start. Suppose spherical body na, so suppose this is a spherical body. My drawing is very much good. Okay, So suppose this is the center. Suppose this is the point P. Suppose this is a point Q. Okay. Then suppose this and this. Suppose S. Suppose R. Suppose N. Suppose O. Radius, what will be the radius? A. Suppose at a distance R, we take this portion, we change the color, we take this small portion as dr. Okay, so let's start solution. Let us take a circular slice PQRS at a distance R from. This classes is going to be little boring because this is only about problems and solutions, no physical explanations. But the more you study the theories, the more you will get the interest in these problems. Okay, so follow the theories as well as these problems and solution classes also. Distance R from the center. Okay, O and of thickness dr. The slice, BEING, being perpendicular, isn't it? Being perpendicular to the diameter MN, isn't it? This is our M. Okay, MN, about which the moment of inertia, M will be confused in this M and M. Okay, the moment of inertia is to be calculated. We conclude this. Okay, now let's start the main problem. Okay, the moment of inertia of the slice about the axis MN will be what? Pi a square minus r square to dr multiplied by rho a square minus r square by 2. Since root over a square minus r square is the what is radius of slice. Okay, this will be radius of this slice. This is a circular, this is a spherical body. Okay, so this will be a slice. If we actually this is a 3D picture, na? So there will be a slice. Okay. So let's check the different color. Okay, so the moment of inertia of the whole sphere about the diameter will be what? For the whole sphere we must integrate. So equals to 0 to a will be vary for the diameter pi a square minus r square dr rho a square minus r square by, we studied this in the vector analysis problem, na, how the spherical slice for the total sphere comes the total area or volume. So theoretical is, I am saying again, theoretical the theoretical part we will cover in this theoretical classes, okay, because otherwise it will be too time looking for the single problems, okay, by 2. Sorry, here we have used dr already. So equals to pi 0 to a square minus r square, this a rho, what is rho, a plus b r to the power c dr equals to pi 0 to a to the power 4 minus 2 square r square plus r to the power 4 a plus b r to the power c dr pi 0 to a to the power 4 minus 2 square r square plus r to the power 4. You can try this by your own, okay. This is just simple integration into dr plus 0 to a b to the power 4 r to the power c minus 2 square r to the power c plus 2 plus r to the power c plus 4 dr equals to pi a is constant, a to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 a to the power 5 plus a to the power 5 by 5 plus pi b a to the power 4 a to the power c plus 1 by c plus 1 minus 2 a square a to the power c plus 3 by c plus 3 plus a to the power c plus 5 by c plus 5. I am great in management of lines, handwritings and pictures, so this happens, okay, so bad in writing, okay. So 8 by 15 pi a to the power 5 plus pi, this is plus not t, pi ba c plus 5 1 by c plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 5 if we okay minus 2 by c plus 3, okay, this will be our answer, okay. So we start with some simple problems. As we will go through all the we will next see the others problems, and slowly we will get into the advanced problems, okay, of various. Actually this class is only for this playlist, will be only for GPM, okay. I will make another playlist gradually about various topics, and in all these problems and solution classes there will be only problem and solutions. In theoretical classes we will understand those theories, okay. Thank you.